All right, guys, we're heading back from the show, and I'm going to show you what's quite possibly the greatest nightlife on the earth right now. And why do I say that? Because everything is open very, very late. And there are many people out living life like you're supposed to. Let's check it out.
Hey, Vern.
Hey! There it goes, you guys. Another day. And the evening and the morning were the first day. Isn't that how that goes?
We missed the final call.
So here we are on the main walking street. It's about 10:45 in the evening on, I believe it's Monday night. Look at that. Look at the crowds, you guys. Can you believe it? Can you even believe it? I'm gonna go for the light, but
That we could never make it. I know you know it. I know you know it. I know. In the
they've got a little red man on the thing, so you don't want to cross when it's red. All right, guys, I'm gonna let this crowd go by. I'm gonna give you a shot. Tell me it's not busy tonight, huh? Look at that. Look at that crazy crowd. So that's who we're gonna get behind. Let them lead the charge. All right, you guys, so Monday night. Can you believe it? Is that crazy busy or is that crazy busy?
can't let you go.
Hey guys, Vern Danke. We are down at the Belgrade Riverfront getting attacked by mosquitoes, trying to bring some nightlife to you. I'm here with Bert Diggs, and he is the food expert, and we're trying to figure out.
What is up, you guys? We are here on a party night. Me and Vern are going to be checking out the night scene here. It's exciting.
So let's see what it's like. Besides mosquitoes, everything's kind of hopping. We're here kind of early, so don't expect things to get too packed, but let's see what it's like. We're here down in the riverfront in Belgrade, Serbia.
You don't think before you act. There's something really off about that. Can't you see the problem with just caring about yourself? Maybe you should try to do something for someone else. You gotta give a little, just to get a little. Gotta give a little, just to. There's something about you. You don't care about what you do. You gotta give a little, just to get a little, or you'll never find success. If you don't give a little, just to get a little, no one's gonna hold you back. You and I have different ways. I don't like how you misbehave. Even if a shadow falls over your group of friends, you don't care if you can benefit from someone else. You gotta give a little, just to get a little. You gotta give a little, just to. There's something about you. You don't care about what you do. You gotta give.
How many masks do you see? Right, you don't see very many, do you? Now, this is something that all countries can learn by. It's time to get back to normal. It's time, you guys. So I was by here before. This is where the McDonald's is at in this mall. Look like they got a little street ice cream. There's a place I get some soft serve ice cream, and it's about 200 Serbian dinar, and that's where we're headed right now. Let's see if they're open. I don't know if they are or not. So I believe the bars can stay open, I think, till 4 a.m. All right. Rock on, Piper dude. All right, you guys, what do you think? Belgrade, Serbia, weeknight, big crowds. Looks to be a lot younger crowd out too. At least right here anyway. A little bit older crowd sitting down, drinking, eating some food. So this is a place I like to go for a snack. The chicken box. I like to get the deluxe meal. So if you're here at the chicken box, Get yourself a meal. A lot of little side street cafes. A lot of superstars. Another side street cafe. Very busy. Very nice tonight. It's like 89 degrees out. About 10:45 p.m.
Hey guys, I was looking for fat girls and I came to fat boys. So we're gonna eat, looks to be a pepper bacon burger. And it's about 680 Serbian dinars. So that's probably just around $8. I've seen it before and it looked really good. It's some kind of a hamburger wrapped in bacon, a bunch of other stuff. So I'm hungry. I just walked here about a quarter of a mile.
Alright guys, look at that, huh? Look at that.
Alright, let's see how this is. Let me get into this. It's good. Almost gotta use a knife with this. Kind of hard to eat, just as a burger.
Alright guys, so look at that. It's wrapped in bacon. Really good. Alright, so I'm walking back.
A hostel, it's about a quarter mile one way. And how was that burger? That burger was outstanding. It's maybe a little bit more expensive than I thought it would be, but it's about $10 for the hamburger, onion rings, and also lemonade. Lemonade was so-so. I had better lemonade, but the burger itself was outstanding. Kind of had like a little bit of a smoky flavor. Had bacon, a little bit of ham in there. Very thick patty. It was really outstanding, very flavorful. I highly recommend eating there if you want a good burger.
So give it a try. No mosquitoes tonight. The mosquitoes were bad a few nights before, but not bad now at all. So I'll try to get ahead of this crowd here. See if I can boogaloo. There's some neon light there. Wow. Real bright. Too bright. So we got these little delivery guys if you need food. Those are the guys that'll bring you the food. So this reminds me of Istiklal in Istanbul. It's just like it, but it's busier. People are a little more easier to talk to, I think, here. I know, they're just really laid back for a big city. I'm not sure my ice cream lady's gonna be open this late. My guess is she's probably done by about 10, but you never know. I love her soft serve cones. It's kind of like a Dairy Queen soft serve, but it's a big cone, and it's probably just a little bit tastier, I would say. Here's some of your architecture. You guys want to see what it looks like? It's a little bit of a night vibe. So it looks like they've been washing the streets here. They take really good care of this place. Like I say, this is their pride and joy. They're washing it down, making sure it's clean, picking up the trash. It's real good. Yeah, see the guy, he's got the hose. Actually, two guys. Got a hose holder. One guy's squirting and the other guy's holding. Hold my hose, Frank. Okay. I need more line, Frank. Okay. All right, I better be nicer. He's gonna spray me and that'll be the end of that. That'll be the end of that. Yeah. Got girls down by the fountain looking for love. Got, oh, my soft serve person is here. Yay, she's here. Cool. She doesn't know that I vlog. I come here a lot. All right, so I got to get my big money out here. Let's see. All right. So I don't see the girl that I'm used to chatting. Let's see if she's here. 100. No, I don't see her yet. So the big cone is 200. I forget what the smaller one is. All right. Hello. One soft serve large cone. The mix, chocolate? Yes, please. Big, like my brain. No. All right. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Bye. It's soft serve twist. It's 200 Serbian dinar. That's about a little over $2. I'm gonna eat it now. Watch. It's good. Oh my God, it's good. I could eat one of these a day, one a day. Sometimes I do have one a day, so don't laugh. They're so good. All right, so we're gonna head back to my hostel. It's been a long day. It's been a crazy day. So I wanted you guys to get a little bit of an idea what the nightlife is here. So this is their main walking street that we were on. There was a club that I wanted to go into last night, but it was a dud last night. There was nobody there, so I didn't go in there. So once these cafes peter out, about midnight, people start going to the pubs and the bars, the dance clubs, and it gets really, really busy. So right now they're resting. The Serbs party, man. These guys freaking party. If you like to party, come to Serbia. No shortage of partying, cafes, dance clubs, pubs, just girls everywhere. Roll out the barrel, we'll have a barrel of fun.